this Makita lawn mower 17-inch from Princess Auto when they have a dent and scratch sale. I bought this only for $50, but its original price is over $500. And I bought the batteries from Amazon, 5 ampere 18 volt and 8 ampere 18 volt. These are not the original Makita batteries, but the replacement for the Makita. I bought this charger from Amazon. This is not the original Makita charger. This is a replacement for the Makita charger. It's working. Let's see how it's gonna cut this grass. I bought two 18 volts 8 ampere batteries and two 18 volts 5 ampere batteries and a charger, around $120 plus $50 lawn mower, altogether $170. So less than $200 I have a Makita 17-inch cordless lawn mower. So look for a sale. I'm amazed. The battery lasts for more than an hour. That's why I was able to clean more than double size of this driveway. So the batteries are actually good. I use two 5 ampere batteries. They just run out of charge. I have two 8 ampere batteries. I'm gonna swap them, and then I'm gonna continue at cleaning this side. The bottom of the tree is rotten. I have to clear this fallen tree.